Yeah, I want to talk to you guys about something important before I get to this. The reason I want you guys to realize that the importance of bonds. It's vlogging time. It's vlogging time. I don't even know how to even start this. Yo, am I gonna do this other part of the video as a, like the second channel, third channel, whatever the hell channel it is? I don't even know, man. But we going to Vegas, baby. Yeah, we made it. We in Vegas.
We talking about dicks.
Hey, yo, first time? Man, buddy.
Hold on. This is how much your boy won just now. Just now with $10.
There you go. Press anything to spin, bro. Let's go, champ.
Yo, if I die, Lim, huh? Him? All them damn
Yo, look at that shit. Oh my god, that's mad bright. Yo, can y'all see the screen? Oh, we looking at Instagram. Yo, follow my Instagram if you haven't already. Deadass. Deadass, look at that. I look super cool. If you fat, you eat for free. So like, we about to find out how much
Hey, yo, you lighter.
208 right now.
My son light as a feather.
100-pound left.
My son light as a feather.
Nacho Daddy. We're going to Nacho Daddy. Alright, so apparently it's supposed to be a light show. So we're supposed to look up. Is that what's supposed to happen? We're supposed to look. Hey, yo, what's that? Oh!
Yeah, you're smack right in the middle. That's
That ass. You see that? But yeah, this trip was amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let's get our ass back home.
Word, we gotta see that beautiful face, know what I mean? We need that face. Oh. Hey yo, what the fuck?